In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place custom widgets like maps, forms, and third-party tools onto your Wix page using a reliable, secure method that works right inside the editor. First, make sure you're working in the Wix site editor. This is where you design your pages visually. Look toward the top left and click the plus icon. That opens the Add panel, which is where Wix keeps elements you can place on your page. If you don't see it at first, hover near the left edge of the editor and it should slide into view. In the Add panel, use the search bar and type Embed code. You'll see the embed element show up. Click and drag that element onto your page and drop it where you want the content to appear. You can move it around just like any other Wix element and snap it to guides so it lines up with your layout. Place it in a spot that gives your content room to breathe and doesn't overlap headers or footers. Now, click the Embed Code element on your canvas. A small toolbar or settings panel will appear. Choose Enter Code. This opens an editor window dedicated to the code you're about to add. It's designed to keep everything contained and safe while giving you control over what shows on the page. You'll see a field where you can paste your code. Make sure the code you paste uses HTTPS links. HTTPS is required because Wix runs your site securely, and insecure links can cause your content not to load. Most trusted providers like form builders, booking tools, or media players supply an embed snippet, often an iframe, that's already HTTPS. Paste that code into the field, then apply it to your site. You should see a preview of the embedded content appear right inside the box on your page. A few quick tips to get a clean result. The size of the embed box controls what's visible, so drag its corners to adjust width and height until the content fits without awkward scroll bars. Keep your code from reputable sources, as some scripts may be restricted for security. If something doesn't display, double-check that the code is complete, that all links are HTTPS, and that the provider allows embedding. And there you go. With just a quick add, drag, click, and paste, you've integrated custom HTML or third-party embed codes into your Wix site. That's all. Simple, secure, and effective.